smell good. If you want to learn, keep watching. A lot of women have their own smell, their own taste, things like that, but there's always things you can do to just make it smell better, make it taste better. And I've been looking everywhere on the internet, and a lot of these videos are missing a couple key factors, so I thought I would help you guys out. So the first thing I would recommend is like getting checked out Planned Parenthood or anything, making sure you don't have any underlying diseases, which is what's making you smell that way. But if it's nothing serious and this is just something like after a long day, whatever the case is, these are just some tips and tricks to, you know, freshen you up, make you smell better, make you taste better. The first thing I will say is I love apple cider vinegar when it comes to your coochie. Apple cider vinegar is going to be a great help because there's two things that you can do with this to help your smell. And I believe it also helps your taste. It doesn't smell or taste like apple cider vinegar once you're done doing these tips. So the first thing would be to take a bath in it. So fill up your bath water. You know, I dump in hell apple cider vinegar, maybe like two or three cups, or you can create a douche with it. So like you go to the store, I believe the dollar store has douches, you just need the container. So you would buy the douche container, you know, dump everything out, and then rinse it out a couple of times and create your own. So you can't use the raw one for the douche, it will make your vagina hurt basically. So you just get the apple cider vinegar, you put it inside of there, you know, probably like 2-3 teaspoons, and then you fill the rest of the way up with water, shake it around, and just do your thing. Go to town. If you don't know how to douche, I'm sure there's a video, you know, on YouTube somewhere, but you're not gonna want to do it with the regular product that's in there because it will make your coochie stink later, and it helps you, like regular douches only help you short term, and they make your condition worse long term, basically. So there's also another thing which is called stripper water, because I'm a big believer in like what you eat and what you drink has, you know, some participation in how you smell and how you taste. So stripper water is basically 1 cup of frozen fruit. So I like to do frozen pineapple or frozen mango because they're just really sweet and it makes the drink taste good. 5 to 7 cranberries. If you do any more, you'll get cramps in your stomach. Lemon juice. So I would just squirt a tablespoon. I really like to put fresh lemons, but due to this coronavirus, for some reason we ran out of lemons over here. So I had to stick with the juice. You know, that fake shit. I'm just kidding. And then, you know, you just mix it all together and you sip on that once a day. I used to get the mason jars and just fill those up in the morning, just drink them. Boom. The next thing I would recommend getting is these Azo cranberry pills. They're cranberry gummies. They taste fucking disgusting, but they're really good for you and they help out a lot, especially if you don't drink a lot of cranberry juice, which I don't. I think it's disgusting. But even though these pills are disgusting, or sorry, gummies, even though these gummies are disgusting, just take 2 and you go on about your day. But this does contribute to your overall health. Probiotics are also really good, but it has to be the specific ones for your coochie. When you're washing down there, because washing, I probably should have started with this one because it's really important. Every time you're in the shower, you know, washing yourself, like you have to do it a certain way. Like, girl, we got lips and stuff. Hopefully we're all growing here. But so you're gonna want to take a rag, not a loofah, not your hand, whatever the case is. You can use your hand after you use your rag, but you're gonna want to at least use the rag. You're gonna get a rag, and then anything with mild soap. I like baby soap, and specifically this brand. I've tried Johnson & Johnson, and it just does not do the same thing for me. So I use this, and I get a rag, and I go to town down there. You know, you don't put it inside your hole, you just go around everything outside of your lips. Boop, clean the area, not getting anything inside. And then I like to clean it twice. So like I clean it all, get through everything, I rinse it off, and then I take my hand and I go around the hole. I go around the hole and I just continuously like smell, you know, and I just continue to do that until I feel like it's a-okay. The next biggest thing to washing is drying. You want to make sure after you're done, you know, washing and showering and all that, you want to make sure that your coochie is completely dry, like everything. I don't give a fuck if you gotta put a paper towel in that bitch. You need to have your vagina 100% dry before you get dressed, before you put on underwear. If you guys liked my tips and you found them helpful, make sure to comment down below. I'm thinking about doing a part 2 on like things that I currently might be doing that are contributing to the way you smell or taste. If you guys would like that video, then just give this video a thumbs up and then I will make a part 2. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out.